The 10 animals that have been the subject of important scientific research. Imagine a world where nature reveals its deepest secrets through its most unique creatures. In this journey through the animal kingdom, we'll discover 10 fascinating species that have been protagonists of scientific investigations that challenge the imaginable. From tiny creatures to majestic giants, each of these animals has opened doors to revolutionary discoveries in science. Number 10. Axolotl. The axolotl has captivated the attention of scientists and biology enthusiasts for decades. This amphibian, native to Mexico and considered a true biological treasure, has intrigued the scientific community due to its astonishing regenerative abilities and its unique capacity to remain in a larval state throughout its life. One of the most fascinating characteristics of the axolotl is its regenerative ability. This animal can regenerate parts of its body, including limbs, organs, and even neural tissue. Its ability to regenerate brain tissue has sparked significant interest in medical research, as it could offer crucial clues to understanding regeneration in humans and possibly aid in the healing of neurological injuries and diseases. Furthermore, its perpetual larval state, known as neoteny, is unique among vertebrates. Unlike other amphibians that undergo metamorphosis to become adults, the axolotl maintains juvenile traits like external gills and an appearance similar to its larval stage. This peculiarity has intrigued scientists seeking to understand the genetic and hormonal mechanisms behind this phenomenon, which could have significant implications in understanding development and the biology of aging. Number 9. Elephant. Elephants, nature's colossi, have captured scientists' attention for decades, becoming protagonists of research that reveals their astonishing intelligence and complex society. From their imposing physical presence to their communication abilities, elephants have fascinated biologists, ethologists, and conservationists worldwide. One of the most remarkable features is their extraordinary memory. These graceful giants have an impressive ability to remember places, individuals, and experiences for extended periods. This capacity has proven crucial for their survival in changing environments and has surprised scientists with its precision and longevity. Additionally, elephants exhibit a complex social system. They live in herds led by a wise and experienced matriarch, guiding other members in the search for water, food, and safety. Communication among them occurs through a variety of sounds, gestures, and infrasonic vibrations, imperceptible to the human ear but crucial for interaction among these large animals. Number 8. Hermit crab. The hermit crab, known for its peculiar lifestyle, has captured the scientific community's attention, becoming the subject of various significant investigations. Unlike other crabs, these crustaceans lack their protective shell, so they've developed the unique habit of inhabiting abandoned mollusk shells to protect their vulnerable bodies. One area of study that has sparked great interest is the symbiotic relationship between the hermit crab and its choice of shell. It has been discovered that these clever crustaceans can assess and select specific shells according to their size and shape, ensuring they can retreat easily in case of danger. This ability reveals a surprising adaptation in a highly specialized form of behavior. Another fascinating aspect that has been researched is the reproductive behavior of these crabs. Despite their apparent solitude, hermit crabs often gather during mating season. Scientists have studied these encounters to better understand reproductive patterns and communication between individuals, revealing intriguing details about their social life, although largely limited. Number 7. Pig. The pig, a creature that has transcended its role on the farm to become a subject of significant scientific research. Often underestimated, this animal has proven to be much more than a mere food resource. Science has revealed surprising aspects of its biology, intelligence, and its potential in medicine. In recent research, it has been discovered that pigs possess remarkable cognitive abilities. These intelligent animals have demonstrated advanced learning skills, long-term memory, and the ability to solve complex problems. Their intelligence has been compared to that of dogs, and in some aspects, they have even been shown to surpass these domestic animals in specific tests. Additionally, pigs have been the subject of studies in the field of medicine. Their anatomy, physiology, and similarities to humans have led to investigations into organ transplants. Pig organs, due to their size and biological compatibility, have been considered as a possible solution to the shortage of human organs for transplants. Research in xenotransplants has explored this possibility, although they still face immense challenges. Number 6. Chicken. Chickens, so common on farms and in homes, are true treasures of scientific research. Although they may appear as simple poultry at first glance, these creatures have been the focus of fundamental studies that have revealed surprising secrets about their behavior, communication, and even their cognitive ability. Scientific studies have shown that chickens have a complex way of communicating among themselves. They not only emit different types of clucking to warn of dangers or announce egg-laying, but also possess a nuanced body language that allows them to convey information to other birds in their group. The intelligence of chickens has also been a subject of research. These animals show impressive cognitive abilities, such as the ability to learn and remember patterns, solve simple problems, and even demonstrate empathy. Some experiments have revealed their ability to distinguish between different individuals and recognize human faces. Number 5. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, our close relative in the animal kingdom, has been the focus of countless scientific investigations that have revealed fascinating discoveries about its behavior, intelligence, and ability to relate to its environment. These primates, with their astonishing genetic similarity to humans, have been the subject of exhaustive studies that have revealed their complex social abilities. Chimpanzees live in hierarchical societies where communication plays a crucial role in group cohesion. It has been discovered that they use a variety of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions to convey emotions, needs, and warnings among themselves. This type of subtle communication has been analyzed to better understand the evolution of language and human communication. Additionally, research has shown the impressive dexterity of chimpanzees in using tools. They are capable of manufacturing and using simple utensils for activities such as obtaining food, showing remarkable learning and adaptation abilities. Another crucial aspect of research with chimpanzees has been the study of their cognition. Experiments have revealed their ability to solve problems, plan, and learn through observation, demonstrating a remarkable intelligence that challenges previous notions about the exclusivity of certain cognitive behaviors in humans. Number 4. Nematode worm. Nematode worms, despite their tiny size, have captured the attention of the scientific community with their remarkable importance in ecology, medicine, and genetics. These tiny beings, also known as nematodes or roundworms, are ubiquitous creatures in nature, inhabiting everything from soils to bodies of freshwater and saltwater. Their contribution in the field of research has been extraordinary. Scientists study them meticulously for their role in decomposing organic matter, their symbiotic relationship with plants and animals, and their impact as parasites in humans, animals, and plants. In the medical field, nematodes have been essential in understanding essential biological processes and developing treatments against parasitic diseases. Their complex life cycle and their adaptability have intrigued scientists, leading them to explore how these worms interact with their environments and how they can be controlled to prevent diseases. Number 3. Fruit fly. The humble fruit fly has been a protagonist in the fascinating world of scientific research for decades. Despite its tiny size, its influence in understanding genetics and other fields of biology has been monumental. This tiny creature, just a few millimeters in length, has become an invaluable tool in laboratories worldwide. Its rapid life cycle, ease of reproduction, and well-characterized genome make the fruit fly an ideal model organism to study a wide range of biological processes. Scientists have used the fruit fly to study the fundamental principles of genetic inheritance, regulation of embryonic development, brain function, and even human diseases. One of the most famous studies was conducted by Thomas Hunt Morgan in the early 20th century, where he used these flies to establish the theory of sex-linked inheritance, a revolutionary breakthrough in genetics. Number 2. Zebrafish. The zebrafish, tiny and charming, has become a prodigy of scientific research. Despite its modest size, its importance in biology and genetics is monumental. Native to India, this freshwater fish, with its blue and golden stripes, has captivated scientists for its ability to reveal fundamental secrets about embryonic development, tissue regeneration, and human diseases. Its rapid reproduction rate and transparency in the early stages of its life make it an ideal model for studying embryonic development. Scientists have used the zebrafish to understand how the organs and systems of the human body form, visually observing each step in its development process. Additionally, its unique ability to regenerate tissues has been the subject of intense research. By being able to regenerate parts of its body, including the heart and central nervous system, the zebrafish provides valuable clues about how we could promote regeneration in humans, opening the door to innovative treatments for injuries and degenerative diseases. Number 1. Mouse. Mice, tiny creatures that populate much of the world, have been at the center of crucial scientific research throughout history. Their uniqueness lies in their adaptability, accelerated reproduction, and biological similarities with humans, making them exceptional models to understand complex biological processes. These rodents have been fundamental in genetics, medicine, and psychology. In genetics, research with mice has allowed the understanding of the inheritance of diseases and genetic modification to study and treat disorders. In the medical field, mice have played a vital role in developing drugs and vaccines, as well as understanding diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and neurological disorders. Additionally, mice have been protagonists in psychological and behavioral studies, providing valuable information about memory, learning, and emotional responses. Their ability to learn complex tasks and their brain structure have been key for research in neuroscience.